Let's now sum up the discussion of layered structures. So in chapter 3, we suggested that way of talking about phrasal categories is to set up a general schema in which XP stands for any category of the phrasal level. X may be a noun, a verb, adjective, etc. And P stands for the phrase, and X for the lexical head of the phrase. It may be noun, it may be verb, adjective, adverb, or a preposition. So we can have it XP, X stands for any head, P for phrase, into specifier, and then we can have the head X, and it may be modified optionally by any modifier or any adjective, right? So this is the structure we talked about the phrase. We see now that the schema might be expanded and refined by introducing the bar notation, single bar and double bar. For intermediate projection, phrases have different projections. For example, the X bar level immediately dominates head and their complement. When we have X bar, we say that they dominate the head and their complement. And when we have X bar, double bar level, immediately dominate X and modifier, adjuncts, and specifier. So X2 bar dominates, they are in the higher position, right? So the X2 bar dominates X single bar and any modifier, any adjunct, any specifier. So it means that X single bar does not dominate modifier and adjunct or specifier. X single bar dominates head and their complements. If we can recall and remember this rule, we can easily deal with layers. So you can see that X double bar dominates specifier. So X double bar dominates modifier or adjective, and X single bar dominates the head and its complement. Or in PS rule, we can see the same. X double bar consists of specifier and X single bar consists of modifier and adjective. So X bar consists of X single bar consists of X, that may be the head with its complement. So this is something about layers and layered structure of the phrases. We talked about adjective, adverb, prepositional phrases and their layer structure, and we talked about how we can find them in order or hierarchy by using double bar and single bar.